Oh, Kilda, what do we have here? Someone must have left me a bit of a present. This beautiful little baby shell. Look at the colour on that. Alright, let's cut the top off and see if we can get a sound out of this. Turn that on. Alright. Start cutting. Oh, a few fireworks there. A little bit of sparks never hurt nobody. Yep, cutting there. And done. Grab that. Oh, don't forget to turn that off. Have a quick look inside. Yep, that looks pretty good. Alright, now let's take it outside. They're now cool though, now we know that it makes a good sound. Let's go ahead and go make a mouthpiece.